If you just got approved for the Amazon Influencer Program, but now you need to make 3 videos to be approved for on-site commission and make money, and you're not sure where to start, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to share with you why my first 3 videos got rejected, what I did to fix those 3 videos, and then also show you the 3 videos that were approved that I submitted for on-site commissions so you can have some context with your videos. And I promise you, if you just follow the things that I talk about in this video, then your 3 videos will be approved for on-site commission. And also, if you're new to this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you my experience in the Amazon Influencer Program and sharing with you very openly my commissions for the first month, the first 3 months, the first 6 months, and the first 12 months. And also dive deeper into the products that are best to review so that you don't waste time reviewing products that never even have a chance to earn commissions to start off with. So make sure to click the subscribe button, like this video, and also turn on the notification bells so that you can be notified when more videos will be coming out. And also, if you do have questions about the influencer program, feel free to comment down below in the comment section. I'll either respond there or I'll make a video on it to explain the concept better. Now, before I dive in, if you didn't know, the approval process for the influencer program has 2 parts. The first part is getting approved because you have a social media account that is of influence, quote unquote, meaning that Amazon deems your account to have a good engagement and a good following. It is very hard to nail down exactly what that number is, but it's decided on a split second, okay? Now, this video is not dedicated towards that. This video is dedicated towards the second part, which is after you're approved there, then you have to submit 3 videos reviewing 3 different products to be approved for what they call on-site commission. Meaning, if you review a product and someone views your video before they purchase a product, then you will get a commission of the price point of that product depending on the category, okay? But real quick, on part number 1, there is a myth that you have to have 1,000 or 2,000 or a specific number of a following. That's incorrect. I actually had my first account taken down for reasons I'll explain later in this video. But when I created a second Amazon influencer account, I got approved from a TikTok account that only had about 130 followers, okay? So I just want to let you know that because sometimes it can seem discouraging if you need to have like 1,000 or 2 or 5,000 followers to get approved for the influencer program. That's not true. When I first applied to the influencer program, I got approved and my first 3 videos were approved on the first try. But that account got taken down for reasons I'm actually still unsure of. I think the real reason is because I talk about selling on Amazon. I have an Amazon seller account, and I think that they saw all my social media accounts. They saw the Amazon logos. And also I used my same email for Amazon Seller Central as I did for the Amazon Influencer Program. And Amazon is just very, very cautious. They don't, they don't like any kind of connected ties accounts. And so after reading and asking around and looking up articles, I had figured to just throw in the towel and be like, this account is done for. So I created a whole new account and submitted 3 new videos, but those were denied even though I used the same products. And when I looked at the reason why, it said video quality and it wasn't very specific. But when I rewatched the videos and I noticed my background was just a little bit messy. So just to be safe, I cleared everything behind me, just had that blue light, nothing else. And I created 3 new review videos and submitted them. And within about 10, maybe even 14 days, those were approved. And so if your videos have been rejected, it's hard to know exactly why, but some of the very common reasons why is some people will submit more than 3 videos. They'll upload like 10 or 20 videos. The thing is Amazon will review all 20 videos. And so they're going to look out for even more errors. Do not upload more than 3 videos for on-site commissions. Other common reasons are if they mention price point, if they show barcodes, and also just if the video quality is lacking. But a big one that people overlook is they don't actually show the whole product or demonstrate it. Amazon wants to see the product demonstrated and see all around it, regardless if you are showing or not showing your face. I would say the best suggestion I have is to join these Facebook groups. Go on Facebook and look up Amazon Influencer Program. There are so many Facebook groups. And if you just join the top 3 or 5 Facebook groups and you go in on Facebook, and if you just type in the search bar video rejected or something like that regarding the on-site commission videos, you will see a list of other people's videos getting rejected, and learn from those mistakes. Like, learn from their mistakes before you, because you only have 3 tries and you need to get those right. So that's my personal recommendation. I've learned a lot just doing that alone. I also have a step-by-step beginner's guide to the Amazon Influencer Program, outlining basically everything you need to know in writing so that you can go back to and refer to. If you would like that, I have the link to it down in the comments and also down in the video description if you want to check it out. What I did for each of these 3 videos was follow a 3-part script, and it's really simple. I would open up the video with, "This is a review of," and then I would say the product name, and then I would say, "I purchased this because." So for example, if I was reviewing this blue pen, I would say, "I purchased this blue pen because I like to write out my schedule in blue ink," or, whatever the reason. And then I would say, "I like to use this for," and give an example of what I liked about the product. And this is also a time to show the different features of the product, how I would use the product if I want to clip it on my shirt, something like that. And so 2 lines that you could say for that are, "Some of the features are blank," and then, "My experience so far has been," and just give your honest feedback. You can also say who you'd recommend to buy this kind of product. And remember, these videos can be faceless or they can show your face. But the point is sticking to the script and outlining exactly what you're going to say. And because you don't want to get this wrong, I recommend writing it out, practicing it out 3 to 5 times for each product before you submit it for approval. Like I said, I'll attach the 3 videos that I submitted in this video so that you can watch and get some context for what I did. There are a couple more things that I want to suggest so that you can avoid getting rejected. And that is, 1, no messy backgrounds. Don't show any kind of Amazon logos. Don't show or mention any prices. And don't show any barcodes or anything like that. Only focus on just the product itself. The second thing is follow a script and practice that a few times before you actually press record and submit that video. Also, don't bring up anything like politics or any kind of health claims. If you do bring up health claims or claim that this product will serve you a certain way, one time I reviewed athletic tape and I said how I used it and my joints became healed over time. Anyways, that video got rejected. So stay away from any kind of health claims. And just as a general practice, I would pick very safe products for my first 3 videos to submit. Now I'm going to show you the 3 videos I submitted that were approved. This is a review of the Lanea overnight oat containers with lid. The reason I purchased these is because I like eating overnight oats, and it's very convenient to have designated jars with a lid and a spoon to be able to eat them from. I also like these jars because I can make a batch of them all in one setting and leave them in the refrigerator and then eat them throughout the week. And so it's very efficient time-wise for me. And a couple other things that I really like about them are that they fit about 16 ounces inside each jar. And so here's an example of what it looks like inside of a jar. And this is half a cup of oats, a full cup of milk, and a full scoop of protein powder. So it holds quite a bit. And obviously compared to, this is a blank one. Very easy to take the lid off. There's what inside of it looks like. But the thing that I love about it most is not only does it come with a spoon, but also it comes with an attachment so that you don't lose a spoon, or you don't have to just have the spoon on the top or anything, or on the table. You can always put it there. Very easy to assemble. This is a review of the Mckellar ice cream sleeves. And the reason I purchased these sleeves is because I really like making homemade ice cream. And these sleeves really allow me to eat the ice cream out of the cup without it being too cold on my hands. And so as you can see, this is ice cream that's been in the freezer for the last 24 hours. And when I put the sleeve on, just like this, it's very easy to put on. And also it helps for my hands to not get too cold. What I also like about it is if I left this cup on a table, then as it starts to melt, there would be water under the cup. But this sleeve helps absorb any excess water, and it also is great for putting on any kind of desk or table, regardless of what material is made out of. And so here's an example of obviously one without the sleeve. And to put it on, what I recommend is just really putting it over one side of the cup and then pulling that side down. And then on the other side, I like to just pull it over the edge and then pull down, and there you go. Very, very easy to use. I've really enjoyed these sleeves and I use them almost every day. They've been very, very helpful and great to have. This is a review of this couch cup holder. The reason I purchased this is because I wanted something to be able to put any kind of drinks or the remote controller, anything that is around my family room, all in one setting. And so I really like it because I could put two separate cups in here. I can also put a book right here. It has a couple other spots where you can put a controller or maybe your phone. And what I also really like about it is this attachment right here. So sometimes I'll even carry this and I will watch a show on my phone and just put my phone like this. And so it's very, very easy as a prop up tool for whenever I do want to watch a show from my phone. And so it helps keep a lot of things organized and not have a remote controller or a book go missing that I have in my main room. I can just keep it all here in this couch cup holder. And so anyways, I've really enjoyed this product. Thanks for watching.